Hello, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add your email address to Gmail's address book. Keeping your contacts organized and up to date is crucial, whether it's for personal use or professional communication. Let's walk through this step by step so you can easily manage your contacts. First, head over to Google Contacts. If you're already in Gmail, this is simple. Look for the Google Apps icon in the top right corner of your screen. It looks like a grid of 9 dots. Click it and then select Contacts from the drop-down menu. Alternatively, you can open your browser and type in contacts.google.com. Either way, you'll land on Google Contacts. Once you're in Google Contacts, look toward the top left corner of the page. You'll see a button called Create Contact. Click it to start adding a new contact. Here, enter your name and, most importantly, your email address. This officially adds your information to your address book. After entering the details, click the Save button. This is an important step to ensure all your input is stored correctly. Now, what if you already have a contact listed but need to update it with a new email address? That's easy too. Start by searching for the contact in Google Contacts using the search bar at the top of the screen. Once you find the correct contact, click on their name to open their profile. Look for the Edit button, usually represented by a pencil icon. Click it to make changes. If the email field already exists, you can simply enter your new email address. If there isn't one, click Add Email, and a new field will appear for you to input your address. Once you've updated or added the necessary details, don't forget to click Save to finalize your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully added or updated your email address in Gmail's address book. Keeping your contacts current is a simple yet powerful habit that improves both personal and professional organization. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials on Gmail and other digital tools.